thought the stories were real. But you're real enough. Carry on. The First Order will be watching you.
What's up, guys?
I'm Henry.
And I'm Dee Dee.
And I'm Zach.
I'm Devin.
And welcome back to Random Happenings.
We hope everyone is staying home, staying safe, and above all, staying well, as we all do our part to try to flatten the curve. And hopefully we'll all be in Disney soon.
But before that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and post notification bell to know when we go live or post a video.
So for today's video, we're going to show you guys our first time in Galaxy's Edge, making our way through Batuu to the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run ride. But we don't have footage of the ride yet, but next time we will definitely get some footage for you.
In the second half of the video is a mashup of mine and Devin's experience at Savi's workshop. So with that being said,
Let's go see what's happening.
well, hello everybody. It's Henry and Zachary. I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of narration coming into our first time to Galaxy's Edge. So just a heads up, we are filming with, at this time, was an iPhone 8 Plus, and Zachary was wearing a GoPro 6 on his head. So we were coming into Galaxy's Edge from the Splash Mountain side, Hungry Bear restaurant entrance, and just getting fully immersed in the Star Wars experience there as we met Chewie right on our entrance.
Yeah, first of all, I'm sorry if the footage is just a little shaky for you guys. Like my dad said, it was on my head, so I couldn't really control what I was doing.
Yeah.
But I was just gonna say that I'm just super amazed that how much they made this look like Star Wars. I mean, I don't know how they did it. I could tell they worked really hard just to please every guest here, and even the employees are really great too.
Well, it's all the way down to their outfits where they were just in the Star Wars moment. Seeing the way that they made it look worn, made it look like it's been, that the outpost has been there for hundreds of years. Like Zachary said, it's just a testament to the construction workers, testament to the Imagineering team, even down to the vehicles that they had here. Just you could just see the worn marks on them. The way on the floor where it looks like it's just been rusted out from water just been running in there. Speeder? I don't know. But really just an amazing experience.
We're passing by one of the entrances right here, which is by Thunder Mountain, and it's also a really cool entrance if I'm not mistaken. But as we're passing through right here, I just thought, wow, I was just speechless, and then I just couldn't believe on how detailed it was. Like, and as we were approaching Kylo Ren's ship right here, man, I just thought it was just so amazing.
It is the ultimate Star Wars experience for those that don't get into see like premieres of movies and stuff. So to be able to just walk into Disneyland and be able to get into a Star Wars movie, it's so cool. We've been there a few times now, so we kind of know the lay of the land. But at this time, we were walking by and we didn't even know that that's Olga's Cantina right there, which we've been in, and it is obviously outstanding. That can be for another video. But Zachary, describe the first time that you saw Millennium Falcon when you were coming up.
Oh man, I think I fangirled if I'm not mistaken. I just saw all of the detail and I was just like, wow, how did they just think of that? How do they know how to do that?
Yeah, and that area right there has so much things. When you get a lot of people there, and then they have fireworks, it's pretty special. I have some footage that I can put on into another video of Galaxy's Edge. But as we were right here, being that close to the Millennium Falcon, even in the queue, just the attention to detail is just amazing. Just an amazing experience when you're out there. There's Devin right in front with his buddy Cam from Kentucky. So it's kind of cool that we we went as a whole family and been able to experience just this first time being here. And once you start seeing the rest of the video and we get into Savi's workshop, obviously that's my mistake. I couldn't find Zachary's when he made his lightsaber, so we'll have to just do it again when we go. But pretty awesome.
Yeah, I'll be happy to do that for you guys. I mean, if making a lightsaber, is a great experience, as you're going to see here in just a few seconds. But I'm just glad we can enjoy this little moment right here.
So enjoy the rest of the video. Keep an eye out for new videos that we release, and enjoy.
That's right.
Right time.
Wait, you have it.
Are we here for an appointment with Savi?
Yes.
Yes.
You have it.
Yes. No, you have the thing. Get your card out. Hey. Get your card.
And you guys are together, right?
Yes. Change with us. Follow me.
Carlos will lead you to your station.
Oh, yeah. Well, building for station. Who's building today?
Yes.
All right, all the way down here. Next builder. Who's your next builder? Right here.
Just stay right there.
Okay.
Don't say anything.
Next station. One more builder over here. And then one more over here. Builder. Builder.
Welcome builders. My apologies for being so short with you all tonight, but we can never be too short when we bring someone into our home. I see you all taking a look around. I know, our workshop doesn't look like much, but to us this is everything. Let me introduce ourselves. We have Austin, Carlos, my name is Carla, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers.
Now, as the Gatherers, we may seem like scrappers, but we are so much more. We have gone through the entire galaxy, to war-ridden Dathomir, to the Shadowlands of Kashyyyk, even to the iciest tundras of Ilum.
Builders, as you can see outside, we're in troubled times. And in this troubled time, we hear stories of legends. Legends like the one from Luke Skywalker. And now, our newest Jedi, our spark of hope. Do you know who I'm talking about? Ray. Yes, thank you. And that is why you're here. You're here because you've heard that call. Am I right?
Yes.
You're here also to build this, the lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is a form of art. It is beautiful and mysterious. It has been held by our greatest heroes and our strongest enemies. It is the connection between every single one of you, builders, to the Force. And today, builders, you will feel that connection.
But it all starts with one thing. It's going to start with the most important part of any lightsaber. It'll start with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now it's going to magnify and intensify the Force. It focuses and harnesses its energy. Today, for you builders, we have a few selections.
Starting with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And now, Rey.
Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker.
Violet. Our most rare and beautiful crystal. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu.
And lastly, red. The crystal of power. Darth Maul. Darth Vader. Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren. But enough about them, builders. They are our past. We're here for you, our future. Please, hold on to the hill holder in front of you. Thank you. Builders, close your eyes. Close them, I can see you. I want you to feel that kyber crystal. Close your eyes, please. Feel your kyber crystal reaching out to you. What color do you see? Remember, the color of your crystal will be the color of your blade. Builders, open your eyes and pick your crystals. Once you have your kyber crystal, please place it on the ring holder right in front of you. Now, to wield such power, you need a hilt. My fellow gatherers and I are coming around, placing in front of you saber pieces from your previous selections.
All right, builders, let's go ahead and take a second to explore.
It is the center of control. I know there's many pieces in front of you. Don't worry, we're going to be over. We're going to be going over them soon. Builders, in front of you, you have your chassis, where your kyber crystal will go. You have your grips. You will choose 2 for your hilt today. You have your emitter, where your blade is going to emit from. Your pommel to protect your power cells. And your activation points. Builders, now that we have everything to build, are you ready to build?
Yes.
Builders, are we ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go.
All right, builders.
With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, builders, indeed, it is time to forge the bond between you and your lightsaber. On my mark, we will take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together, we will activate. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Take a step forward, place your hand on your hilts, take a deep breath, activate. please raise your lightsaber. For you have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please lower and deactivate your lightsabers. Congratulations, builders.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You have each created a lightsaber that is as unique and extraordinary as
love how
every
that
single
just
one of
activated.
you.
Now, builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Take your lightsaber. We're pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is your time to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows? Perhaps one day we'll be back here telling your stories. Till then, safe journey, builders. Till the spire!
To the spire! Builders, happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh.